Okay, so I want to show you how cool this is and how I think it's possible to really make easy trades with this, get much better results, make a bunch of money just purely based off these overlays. And this is how I use them. So this is on my Central Command trading terminal. It's a free interface that connects with the Blowfin exchange. All the instructions of how to get set up and how to get access are down below if you want to check that out. But the idea here is this is a Bitcoin chart, and we've created these overlays, right, that you can just add with one click on and off. Very simple. And how it works, we have this EMA ribbon and this custom deviation strategy, which basically is designed to help us visually see where the market becomes too overbought and needs to reverse and become too oversold, because that's always the issue that people face, that I used to face. Without these overlays, you see a trend going up and you think, oh, it's going to keep going higher, and you end up buying over here and you get wrecked, right? And the same thing, if the trend is going down, you think, oh, I need to short it, and then you get wrecked because it goes up, right? So this is what I've been working on for a long time, and it's just working beautifully. The idea is the red over here identifies when the trend is starting to get overbought to the upside, and that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to reverse right away, because you can see it's red for quite a few bars, but it does warn you that at this point when it starts turning red, you probably shouldn't be looking for longs, because it is starting to get overheated. And in fact, not only is that going to save you from not longing the top, but it helps you understand that when it turns red, you're probably going to be wanting to look for shorts instead. And the inverse, obviously, with the blue, once it starts turning blue, well, then it's an indication that you probably shouldn't be shorting there, because it's probably either going to go sideways or reverse, right? And that's what we've seen here perfectly. So this works obviously on all time frames. It doesn't matter the higher the time frame, and the longer it takes for it to play out. But if you like day trading and you need some sort of edge to help you understand when to buy and when to sell, or when you should be looking for entries, or when you should be more cautious, in my opinion, this is what I really like. I really like. There's a lot of stuff to work towards, but right now it's working pretty nicely. So this is the 1 minute chart, and you can see even if you entered short in the red and then you just shorted it until we started hitting blue, okay? And we're not saying, oh, we picked the extreme top in hindsight. No, we wait for the red and we add the EMA ribbon on here. As you can see, this colorful, nice little thing over here. Even if you decided to take a short over here where the EMA ribbon crossed down, where the price broke below the EMA after turning red. So let's just say you took a short over here, and that was an entry of about 72,000. Okay, so we didn't get the exact top, which was like 72,800. Even if you got in here, right, which is more confirmation after the cross. Yeah, you can take some punts and stuff higher up if you're using other confluence, but let's just say here at 72, and you kept the short until we got the first signs of blue. And even if you got out over here, well, that's 71, call it 71,200. That's an $800 move to the downside based on data, repeatable price action, and repetition that happens over and over. That one trade, if you do that, an $800 move, if you can catch that, and again, you can see this happened in a period of just under 2 hours, right? So we're just chilling. We don't have to do anything. Wait, we see it turn red. Wait for the EMA cross. Over here, we take an entry, and down by the blue, we can get out. And you can see the same thing. We had the blue over here, and then we had a cross back up over the ribbon, and we got a bit of a move higher. So even here, you could have taken a bit of a punt. It's already gone from like 71,000 to 71,400. But don't forget, this is a very low time frame. So I believe on the higher time frames, like the 1 hour chart and stuff, we could go a lot lower. So in this type of setup, I would prefer to be looking for shorts and not playing the long side. So rather look for a short, get out over here, and wait for it to potentially turn red again. Or as you can see here, even though it's bouncing a little bit, it's struggling to stay above the EMA ribbon here. In fact, it's actually just down below it right now. So there's a real possibility it continues back down again. But I don't want to be looking for shorts when it's blue. Instead, we look for shorts either like on a bounce like this, but even better when it's red. And I don't need to constantly trade all the time. If I manage to catch this trade over here and I caught 500 or 6 or 7 or $800 to the downside with some decent size, well, then I just made a bunch of money and I'm good for the day or for the next few days. And this can repeat over and over, because you can see this just keeps happening because price keeps oscillating. And when it gets extreme, we look for the deviations in red, we look for shorts after the red, and boom, and we wait and we can cash out when it's blue. And we can do the same thing over here. When it's blue, well, we can wait for it getting back above after the blue, or getting back above here, EMA cross, ribbon cross, price above there. Well, look, that until it turns red again. That's also a very nice move to the upside. You can see here, even if we got in over here, 71,700, and we write that here, that's a $400, $500 move that you could have caught to the upside just purely by this on the 1 minute time frame. That's key here. If you like day trading and you just like jumping in and out and you want to catch a couple $100s with some high leverage, with some decent size, well, I really like this. So again, guys, I am very excited about this. It's still a work in progress, but I think it's already very, very cool. I'm personally using this. I think it's awesome. And like I said, for now, we're keeping this completely free. The central command is an interface, a terminal that you can connect to your Blowfin account. So Blowfin Exchange, where you can trade Bitcoin. By the way, because this is a price action overlay, this works on all types of stuff. This works on gold. This works on stock market. All of which are also tradable here. So we can do, for example, XAU, UST. I'll make separate videos on this. I just want to show you. But this basically works on all of these different pairs because it's price action based. And you can see over here, boom, perfect here on gold. Look at this. When it turned red, and when it turned blue, and if you caught that short over here. So this is awesome in my opinion. It's a massive, massive edge. If you like day trading and you love watching the 1 minute chart, this is a huge edge in my opinion. But it also works on these larger time frames, on the hour, 4 hour, daily. And then obviously it can help you with your spot entries and exits and all that kind of stuff. So like I said, it's 100% free for now. In future, we may end up charging for it. But for now, it's 100% free. The details on how to get access, all you need is a Blowfin Exchange account. You can connect it via API. The instructions will all be down below, which means we never touch your funds. You're always in full control. Your account, you can connect via API and execute trades here through the interface on your own Blowfin account, but you can always disconnect that whenever you want. You can always manually intervene in your Blowfin account. Also, you have access to those trades. So when it's connected and you make a trade here, you're basically just using the API key to trade on your own Blowfin account. It's exactly the same thing, and I think it's very, very cool. You have the slider here for the leverage. You can choose what you want to trade. So if we want to go to XAUT, boom, we can trade over here. We can have all our leverage, and any trade I take here, my Blowfin's connected. That means a trade that I place through the interface will automatically be placed inside my Blowfin account. Again, we don't touch our funds. It's all via API, all secure that way. So if you want to play around with this, I highly recommend it. The details are down below, how to get access, how you can get set up. And yeah, I wanted to show this to you guys because I think this is absolutely awesome. I think this is a massive, massive edge and game changer, and more stuff coming. So make sure, if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe, follow, leave a comment down below. We also have a Discord, free Discord server here for the central command where you can go and join if you have questions and stuff like that. So go sign up, details down below. I will see you in the next video.